it's Gracie with WTI. The moment we got done purchasing our brand new iPad, I immediately went on Amazon and started looking for cases. And right away, I noticed I was drawn to this one in particular from the MoKo store. I like this one because it instantly met my top 3 criteria that I wanted in an iPad case. So the first thing I wanted was for the iPad to be covered from top to bottom. And this one did just that. It has a full protection covering almost every inch of this iPad. And it even comes with a built-in screen cover. I like that the screen protector doesn't interfere with the touch sensitivity. It really just hugs your iPad. Sometimes I don't even realize I have a screen protector on here. That's how smooth the screen feels when I'm using it. I also really liked that it has raised edges around the camera to help protect the lens. The second thing I wanted in a case was for it to have a stand, so I can pull up a recipe while I'm cooking in the kitchen, or if I just wanted to watch my favorite shows without having to hold the iPad for hours. So this stand works perfectly. I love that I can use it either vertically or horizontally. And the third and last thing that I wanted was it to be a heavy-duty case without it being too heavy in weight or too bulky. So I love that it's a simple black case. It's perfect for my everyday use and it doesn't take up too much room in my purse. So it definitely meets all my 3 requirements. I've been super happy with it, and that's my point of view.